is this town called again, did you say, Samuel?
Santa Maria del Tule.
Santa Maria de Tule.
Perfecto.
Hey, look at that.
Oh, we need to pay 20 pesos per person?
Oh yeah, they want more money.
Yeah.
More money to go look at a tree.
Third oldest tree.
Oh yeah, access 20 pesos. Look at this, eh? Beautiful. And that's it. There's the tree right there. The third oldest tree in the world. Tres.
They started establishing here in this part of the valley, Mitla and everything, because there were rivers and lakes and all that. They were looking for water, obviously. So that's why it grows this plant. It's called tule. But it came the tree, so it's like, oh, el árbol del tule. So that's how the name it stays. This is still a tree that's alive. You can visit them one time a year. I don't remember if it's October or August right now. You can touch it. Right now you can't touch it. And there's a system of running water underneath. Because remember, it needs a lot of water.
Yeah.
And they have a system now. The water the
Hola.
Hola, yo traes etiqueta.
Gracias.
Okay.
The common name is Sabino Huahuehuete. That's what the common name is. But here we have a lot of some descriptions and how high,
Oh yeah, okay.
how thick it is.
The mass.
2,000 years. But these trees still, this information, they put it out a few years ago. And the tree's still growing.
Right.
So
Yeah, it changed since then.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, since this has been erected, yeah.
Okay, so let me show you. When we were kids, everybody, every school brings you here, and they start. A lot of people think it's only a few trees, but one of the things that are really amazing things I'm gonna show you. It's coming this way. I said, so since I'm a kid, like the kid is with the flashlight pointed at some figures of animals, stuff that we have in the tree.
Yeah.
Since I'm being kid, we always have like 8-9 figures that I'm gonna show you. Like right now, that one is a lion right here. Did you see?
Oh yeah.
The lion,
the mane and everything. Yeah.
Yeah. And then like you see where it's cut.
Yeah.
It got sick years ago.
Yeah.
And people actually, scientific people from Europe came in and got help save the tree because it was dying. It's still alive. It's still growing, like I told you.
These
So-
are the animals. There's one of 9.
The lion.
Yeah, well, even Jen and I were talking.
Okay,
It looked
here?
like a lion.
9.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we have and this top we have a garlic head. Do you see the garlic?
Yeah.
You see the garlic?
Yeah, right there, the
Okay.
garlic head, yeah.
Okay. Let's wait for them so they can see the garlic.
Where?
Right there, the garlic head.
The mushroom-looking thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of the mushroom
Yeah,
garlic.
garlic head,
Well, we
mushroom.
call it garlic. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's wait for they right.
Very cool.
Okay. So if you follow these, we can call it branch, like right there, you're gonna see a little branch like this.
Yeah.
You see it? Right here, from here, right
Oh,
there.
okay, yeah.
That's the snake.
Snake?
Yeah, that's the snake.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Yeah. So
Yeah,
right there.
Right.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know.
You see it?
With his tongue sticking or his mouth open.
Exactly. More in your tongue.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right over here. It does look like that. That's incredible. Wow.
So remember, everybody has this town. The towns that we've been, they have their own laws and their own rules.
Yeah.
So we get in trouble, we get in big trouble. It's not like the state government can come and say, "Oh, no, it has to come the federal government."
Yeah.
So we were talking about the lion. Remember?
Yeah.
the garlic. You see the garlic here?
Yeah.
And here.
Garlic head up
and
there.
And the snake right here.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. There's 3 at least. Oh. Here and this side. I'm going to show you the ones that I have since I'm a kid, okay? I'm a kid because sometimes they're already like, oh, we have the nose of some the president and stuff. Over there is the turkey. Can you see the turkey?
Oh, yeah.
There's the turkey right there.
Yeah, I'm looking at it, but I don't see a turkey in that, but whatever, cool. It looks like a big clump to me.
Here you have an owl right here, under like at the beginning. An owl.
Oh yeah, the head.
Yeah, and there's an owl.
This tree is massive.
Did you catch what he was saying?
So massive.
You drink so much water?
The only one I didn't really get was, oh,
Okay.
now I think I see the owl over there.
Okay. Let me. No. This is a huge one.
The deer's
Right here.
Yeah, there's the neck.
Yeah.
Oh well, it's a stretch, but okay.
Okay. Okay. Let me
You could
show
say it's a dragon.
Okay, from here,
Like-
you're gonna follow this branch, okay? You follow this branch.
This
and-
one here?
Yeah, this one and that, and then you're gonna see a squirrel. Did you see it from here?
Yeah, squirrel's head.
Yeah. You see it? Okay.
Right here.
Yeah. You see the
Big
squirrel?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Good. You see it?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Look at the bugs
I'm
buzzing.
right. I'm right. Okay.
You kids had quite the imagination.
Okay.
We drink more mezcal.
Yeah. Let's try another one.
Anteater?
Anteater. Yeah.
I just seen
Anteater.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anteater. Yeah.
Oh,
Anteater.
yeah.
You see the
Big
anteater?
nose, his eye.
Yeah.
Right
And
here,
they're
yeah.
Like little, yeah,
No,
here.
That's the rhino.
Oh,
Anteater,
that's
up there.
No.
oh, at the top there.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah. I see
see
it
it?
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah,
can
okay.
kind of make out an anteater right
Okay.
there. There's his nose, his eyes. I make that
Yeah.
out. Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
getting good at this.
Good. Now we have this, a nose, a big nose. Do you see it?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah. You see it?
Nose of what? A pig?
I just it's a person. Somebody says there was like
Yeah.
one other expressions,
Yeah,
but this
kind
is
of
nose.
say nose,
yeah. It's a nose,
Yeah, I just put it like that. And basically, this is the ones that I've been having since I was a kid. We used to, when I was every year we had to come to Árbol del Tule, Mitla, and Monte Alban. And I didn't know I was going to end up with that. That was going to be my work later on, but yeah. But this is like the most ones that we.
So has the animals changed over the years?
Not those ones that I point.
Okay, those.
And now there's more like if you get one of the girls with the flashlight, they will
Yeah.
tell you, oh, you see like a shoe, you see this, you see
Yeah.
But
These
yeah.
look like tribal
Over
skulls.
the
This one-
decades,
oh,
yeah.
that
like
one.
faces.
Yeah,
Tribal
that,
Yeah.
that it's like now they say it's the orcs from Lord of the Rings.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that's the
I
one,
can
yeah.
see that.
yeah.
Yeah. And you
Over
see
there,
one that has
right
like
there.
he has the hair like
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
We used to have an ex-president with a big hair like this, so this
Yeah.
like Donald Trump. You know they
Yeah.
They said from what's his name? I don't remember his name of this president, but yeah, those are orcs, but those are new because Lord of the Rings.
Yeah,
Yeah. Oh wow, that's awesome.
that's so
and if
cool.
you see the church is big.
Yeah,
But
church
when we
is
saw it
massive.
from there, it looked big,
Yeah.
smaller.
It looks small, yeah, because of the tree towers over it. You
Yeah.
can't even. You'd have to go a mile back to get a picture of this tree. It's so big.
Yeah.
Like it just the branches out are massive, massive, incredible.
It's in local name Ahuehuete or Sabino. We in my town we have one that's almost 800 years, I believe. It's like this.
How old is this one?
Over
3,000,
2,000.
2,000,
Over because they don't know
No.
until they cut it.
but over 2,000 years.
Yeah.
That's crazy. There you go, guys. Check that out. A little better perspective how big that tree is. Like, look at that. It makes a church look like a baby. Wow. And look at this, eh? What a beautiful park. Oh, there's the bear. May peace prevail on earth. Praise Jesus on that. Look at that, eh? Wow. Oh, you can feel the coolness under here. The shade. Wow. All right, chicos, let's make our way over to the sign. She's getting hot now, boy. Probably 27, 28, closer to 30, I think, to be honest with you. She's getting pretty warm now. It's 1:30 in the afternoon here in the state of Oaxaca. And our day is coming to an end, my friends. Well, our day with Samuel is coming to an end.
You want a picture on the sign?
Yeah, I'll get a picture of the sign and we'll get the heck out of here as soon as the lovely couple is done over here.
Ice cream, if you guys want to have an ice cream.
Sure, we'll have some ice cream, why not?
So when you guys are on their way.
Yeah. Well, that's it, guys.
That's what it says.
Yeah. Adios. Thanks for following along with us today. We really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Lainey and David and Samuel.
Hasta luego.
Hello.
Adios. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're gonna go have ice cream without you now.
Do you have any questions?
Coco.
There's mango con chili. Oh,
Mango con chili.
I was thinking of the limon.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing the queso.
I tried the
Queso.
The most common or the main is leche quemada con tuna. Leche quemada with tuna. That's
I'm
like
gonna,
the
I'm gonna try the mango con chili like Jennifer, I think.
mango chili.
The
Yeah.
mame was really good. I don't know that I'd like it other than in ice
Oh,
cream.
you can ask for them to try
What's
it.
the chocolate? Oh,
Oaxaqueña. It's a local chocolate, or did you know?
It's good?
But we can ask them to try. No, ¿puedes dar a probar alguna? Y él quiere probar el chocolate.
Dos chocolate.
We can share our chocolate.
I just want to
They're
try
gonna
it.
Yeah,
They're
yeah,
gonna-
that's
Yeah.
what I mean.
Yeah.
We'll share our try.
Yeah, we could share a try. Yeah, sure. Get a Coke for the ride home too. Coca-Cola for the ride home.
Thinking to get I was going for the queso, but now I feel like my leche con tuna is my favorite.
Mango. Chocolate.
Okay. ¿Me puedes dar otro de chocolate? Pero una vez que ellos fueron a...
That's a mango chili.
Yeah. That's yummy. Gracias.
Gracias, amigo.
No.
Yeah, get it. They have different sizes. This is the 50s now, they are for 60.
Can I try the
I think
limon?
I'll do the mango.
¿Puede probar el limón? ¿Ah?
Salud.
Salud.
Oh.
Did you decide?
Yeah, I'm gonna try the mango chili like you, and the same size as David's getting there.
It's like a sweet.
Mango chili. So there you go. Mango chili.
Cheers.
Jen likes her mango. It's got the chili spice on there. Ooh, yeah. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. How's your guys'? You got the chocolate
Yeah.
and you got
very
the
good.
coconut.
It's very light.
Coconut. Yep. Yeah, the chocolate was really light. Yeah. Very good. We'll see Samuel's here in a bit. The pink.
Yeah. It's different because when you have it together, it's when because it's less. This is more sweet.
Okay.
And this is sweet. I'm sorry. This is less sweet.
Yeah.
And this is like more creamy.
Yeah.
And this is more. So when you
It's
get
like
it.
strawberries and cream.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very
Strawberries
fresh.
and cream. Did you like it?
Yeah.
It was good flavor?
Yeah, good flavor. It's almost like a raspberry.
Ah.
Nice.
Negro con azúcar, baby, please. Un chin más, porfa, no sé un tis. Tus caderas no mientan como Shaki. Ese cuerpo de dulce, tráelo aquí. With all these summer night walks, summer night talks, sweet night thoughts. Summer night dance, sweet romance.